Déréglage moteur confirme dans quel air trati.
Acknowledged. Rerouting power to the Shilden array.
Navigation aligned.
Confirming engine stabilization, we are clear for launch.
Sequence initiated. Rerouting power to the main conduit.
Acknowledged. Plasma containment stable at 90%.
We are approaching the primary gateway.
Confirmed. The energy readings are stable.
These new robes integrate the light weave perfectly.
The craftsmanship in Sector SB489 is unmatched.
The architecture is truly breathtaking this evening.
Indeed, the integration with the clouds is seamless.
Helm, maintain orbital trajectory Alpha 7. Reroute auxiliary power to the starboard deflectors.
Core stabilization active. We have green across the board.
Copy that. Proceeding to Phase 2.
Sector Gamma reports full optimization.
Therefore, the solution set requires recalibration.
As we analyze the quantum entanglement metrics shown here, observe the gravitational constant's influence on the inverse matrices. Deploying search pattern Gamma. Maintain canopy altitude.
Maintain the energy balance.
Fluctuation stabilized.
Proceed with the connection sequence.
All green on the alpha line.
Subsurface scattering at 98% efficiency.
Ready for showroom transfer.